Welcome back to another video with Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about wallpaper shuffle in iPhone. So let's start the video. First, you have to open settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and open wallpaper section. Here, tap on add a new wallpaper. Now scroll down again and tap on photo shuffle, a dynamic set of photos. So here there are 3 to 4 options: nature, cities, albums and shuffle frequency, etc. If we tap on nature, it will shuffle the photos of nature which is in your gallery. If you tap on cities, it will also add the photos of cities in the wallpaper shuffle as well. Here is another option of album. You can also set your own pictures on wallpaper. So the shuffle frequency is the time when the wallpaper changes. You can also set on daily, hourly, tap or lock as well. So these are some shuffle frequency. There is another option of used feature pictures. These are the featured picture which appears here. And you can also select manually photos manually to shuffle on your wallpaper screen. So by this stage you can easily set wallpaper shuffle in your iPhone in iOS 17. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.